Hello, kings and queens. My name is Niasha. Aka Jaja, I am Nala's daughter, and I just wanted to introduce myself to the channel and kind of share my interests. And I figured what better way than to share my recent craft project inspired by Black history and the celebration of all that is for the diaspora. So I headed on down to the Michaels and started with an oval grapevine base. As you can see, that adds a woody, earthier texture, and I think it pairs nicely with the kente cloth. This is actually a head wrap that I have. It's 2 yards of kente cloth head wrap, and I also purchased floral and fauna for Michaels to kind of add a tropical vibe to this Black History Month celebration wreath. So as you can see here, this is just 2 shades of ferns. So I have a dark green shade. It's adding a nice tropical depth. And then I have a pop of color. It's a lime green fern mixed in there. And then this medium green shade, that was actually already mixed in with the dark green shade. So there's actually a third green. It's more like of a olive pea green in here. So just the different shades of green really inspire me to create because I am a gardener. I love indoor plants. I love outdoor plants. That's something else that you'll see from me. Plant shopping, plant growth, that's soon come, okay? Also, I just wanted to share these beautiful flowers. Can we zoom in on these flowers that I got from Michaels? This is actually one bunch of flowers, and as you can see, it came with these 7 beautiful artificial flowers that play so well in the reds and the oranges and the creams that are in this kente cloth. And this literally took me, 20-30 minutes to do, and I was so inspired. I had so much fun with this that I'm inspired to create a spring wreath. So I'll bring you guys along for that. My Michaels trip, me creating it. I'm inspired to make a summer wreath. My birthday is in the summertime, so definitely gonna create a wreath to celebrate my birthday. And so yeah, this is my first wreath that I've made, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And you comment and tell me what you think about it. If it has inspired you to create a wreath yourself, and let's celebrate Black history. Bye. Have a great day. Be blessed.